What's up, guys? Travis at DNA Restorations. Finally wrapped up this 1973-74 Honda US90. This one came in shambles like they most do. We did a full frame off restoration, did all the chrome, all the zinc, all the paint, rebuilt the engine, went with the tires, aftermarket tires and wheels. These are some wheel simulators that are offered online. Hand painted the tank decals. The Honda decal is a sticker, but everything else is laid and hand painted like we do in all of them. Fiberglass rear fenders are repainted. Front metal fender repainted. Like I said, all the chrome's brand new. Everything's looking good. These tires, I get a lot of questions. They are some CST, I forgot what they are. Carlisle CST 2210-8. So if anybody wants to look those up, they offer the simulated kits. You do have to have the 8-inch wheels, factory for the later model Honda ATC 90s. The front tire we use is a Nanco, and that one is a 2112-8. So makes a really good look. It looks like the original balloon tires for the US90s, because as we all know, those tires are not easy to be found, and if they are, you're going to pay a small fortune to get dry rotted tires most of the time. So that's what we did. Basically went through everything on this bike: fresh zinc, vapor hone the cases, and paint polish, and redid every single piece of it. So hope you guys enjoy. These are no fun to me. I don't like them. They always have electrical problems. I don't care for the small displacement engines. This may be the last one we do for a little while to catch up on some other builds, but anyways, hopefully my customer enjoys. And he does have a matching pair. We're gonna add another set of simulators and these tires on, because we went with regular knobbies on the last one because these were not on the market yet. So enjoy. Thank y'all for watching. Got a couple more videos coming up this week, and stay tuned for some cool stuff. Thanks again.